If you're waking up with neck pain, stiff shoulders, or poor sleep, chances are your pillow is the problem. Today, we're taking a close look at the Mellow CloudAlign Pillow, a premium ergonomic pillow that claims to deliver perfect alignment using a 6-zone comfort system and dual height support. But does it actually improve sleep? Or is this just another lifestyle brand with good marketing? Let's break it down. The Mellow CloudAlign Pillow is designed for side, back, and stomach sleepers. Its main selling points are a 6-zone ergonomic structure, a flip-fit dual-height design, breathable, cooling materials, fully washable construction. Mellow Sleep positions itself as more than a pillow brand. It promotes better sleep tied to mental wellness, comfort, and lifestyle simplicity. The pillow is divided into 6 support zones, each designed to cradle different parts of your head, neck, and shoulders. This design aims to keep your spine aligned, reduce pressure points, support different sleep positions. The dual height feature lets you flip the pillow depending on whether you need higher or lower neck support, which is useful if you switch sleep positions during the night. According to customer reviews, many users say, the pillow stays cool throughout the night. It holds its shape well. Neck and shoulder discomfort improves over time. This makes it appealing for hot sleepers and people who don't want to constantly fluff or replace their pillow. However, comfort is subjective. Some users felt it took a few nights to adjust due to the structure design. The Mellow CloudAlign Pillow currently sits at around 3.6 stars overall. Positive feedback includes better sleep quality, improved neck alignment, durable shape and cooling performance. Common complaints: shipping delays, inconsistent delivery times, mixed customer service experiences. So while the product itself scores well for comfort, the buying experience isn't always smooth. This isn't a scam product, but it's also not perfect. Potential downsides: higher price compared to basic pillows. Not ideal for people who prefer ultra-soft pillows. Delivery and fulfillment issues reported by some customers. The Mellow CloudAlign Pillow is a legitimate ergonomic pillow that many users find comfortable and supportive, especially for neck pain and alignment. However, it's best for people who want structured ergonomic support, sleep hot, are willing to pay more for design and materials. If fast shipping and flawless customer service are critical for you, that's something to consider before ordering. Have you tried the Mellow CloudAlign Pillow? Drop your experience in the comments, good or bad, to help others sleep smarter.